Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to share with you guys how I found this gorgeous, well, it will be gorgeous when I'm done with it, but this wooden cradle here at my local Goodwill for $4.98. Malia was with me and she saw it and she just had to have it for $4.98. I was definitely going to grab it for it just needed some little TLC. So I took her to Lowe's hardware store and she picked out this color paint. This is the Krylon paint, and I just gave it about 3 coats of paint. Now this color took a little bit of time to get solid. I don't know, but anyway, it took about 3 coats for me to get it to the darkness that I did achieve. So anyway, once I got it all done and it was all pretty and pink and she was happy with it, I took it inside, let it dry, and then we decided to glam it up. So I stopped at Michael's craft store and bought 3 colors of tulle spools. Yesterday they had a 20% off sale, so I definitely took advantage of that. So what I did was layered all 3 of the tulle pieces. I think I did about a 14-inch length, and I just tied them all together on the rails of the bed so that I could get more of a fairy tale poofy. You know how little girls like the little foofy stuff. So I decided to try to achieve that look, the ballerina look. So simply, I just double knotted these tulle pieces on the rails to secure it, and it worked perfectly fine. So I did that for all 14 rails. There were 7 on either side of the bed, and I just kind of fluffed them out and I cut them down to size to make sure that they was pretty much even. And yeah, so this was how it looked at the end. And then I decided to continue to design and embellish the bed. So I went to my Cricut machine and I made a design for my daughter with her name and some sort of pretty circles, colorful circles, and I made some decals. So now I'm just going to adhere them to her bed and just, you know, brighten it up some and make it, you know, childish or girly, or I don't know, but kitty, whatever the word is that I'm trying to look for. I don't even know, y'all, but I do know that it turned out absolutely beautiful, and my daughter, she loved it. She absolutely loved it. So I decided to layer her name so that with a layer of black behind the hot pink so that it will pop more. And then I added the little circles on there. And then you guys know what I did next? I added some bling. Yes, I did. I did it because you know what? My daughter, she loves the shiny and blingy stuff just as much as I do. So I definitely added some of Totally Dazzled's bling wrap to her bed, as well as some of their Totally Dazzled embellishment pieces and their brooch pieces. I added 1 to each side of the bed, and you won't see me do the brooches on here, but you will see me add some of the bling wrap, which you are seeing me do right now. And I simply added with some hot glue. So it's semi-permanent. It's not permanent, it's semi-permanent. It can be removed if need be. But yeah, I doubt we'll be taking that off because it makes the bed just so pretty. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I did do to this bed. I am later going to make her a little handmade mattress for the bed. I didn't do it in this clip. That's something I'll do later. So that's why I wasn't so worried about the bottom of the bed being so solidly painted. But this is the reveal, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. She loved it. So I'm so happy, and she wants to show you guys how it looks, and she is going to also get in on the fun, her and her new baby doll. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not a tutorial, it is just something I wanted to share with you guys of what I did yesterday. for my Memorial Day weekend. I was making a bed for my baby, and she loved it. So I'm happy, she's happy, and I hope that you guys are happy by seeing this video. If you are, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. And I hope you guys come on back real soon for the next video. Until next time, you guys, peace, love, and blessings. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.